Why does your scanner show the P2265 engine code? What does it mean? P2265 is a diagnostic trouble code for water in fuel sensor circuit range or performance. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a problem with the sensor that detects water contamination in the fuel, or with the circuit that the sensor is connected to. The issue is with the sensor's signal being outside the normal operating range. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty water in fuel sensor, wiring and connector issues, excessive water in fuel, powertrain control module (PCM) problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Land Rover, Hyundai, Jeep, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.